A lot of you have been asking me to teach in full my current visualization workflow. So over these past 6 months, I've been working to create a detailed and extensive course on architectural visualization with D5. Create a course that seamlessly integrates into your existing architectural design process. But simply learning how to use D5 is not enough to craft unique images. An architectural visualization workflow is not only about the engine. So I went deeper and also included everything you need to know about post-production in Photoshop, which is a vital step in visualizing unbuilt designs. I've also sprinkled in some minor yet essential AI techniques you can use in your images, as I believe AI can and should be used to enhance our work, not replace the creative process though. So this is the most complete course I have ever worked on, and I'm super excited to finally be able to announce it here. Instead of now going to every little detail of the course, I'm gonna play you the first lesson, which is an amazing introduction to the course and gives you a really good understanding of what is included in the lessons. Oh, and all of the information about the course is also available on the course page, which I'll link in the video description below. After the intro, stick around because I'm gonna share some extra comments at the end of the video. Welcome to the course D5 Render Visualizing Architecture. Crafting great images goes beyond simply learning one magical software that will do everything for you. Architectural visualization is much more than that. So in this course, you're going to learn an effective workflow to visualize your architectural designs. This isn't just a simple D5 course, we dive deeper than just buttons and settings to teach you the skills needed to transform your 3D models into stunning visual results. Realistic renderings help you tell the story of your project better, and learning this skill is about learning how to express yourself. It's about being able to present your ideas at the level that they deserve and help the viewer see how the architectural design will come to life once built. Nowadays, render engines are capable of exporting good images right from the start, so to stand out among the sea of architectural visualizers, you need to learn how to use it effectively. That's the goal of this course. I want to teach you a workflow to craft unique images and videos. I believe D5 Render offers a really good balance of quality, speed, versatility, and cost. But you can learn more about why D5 Render is the chosen engine for this course in the next lesson, which by the way is free to watch in case you're still deciding to enroll in the course. This course is designed for architecture students, architects, professionals, and anyone interested in learning more about architectural visualization. The course is structured with step-by-step lessons to help you master D5 Render and learn post-production in Photoshop to handle any visualization challenge. The lessons are self-paced, so you can watch them at your own time and schedule, and you get full support over the comment section of each lesson in case questions come up during your learning process. So we go from the very basics, like understanding the user interface and setting up your workspace, and then gradually move to advanced techniques like handling assets, crafting realistic materials, creating scenes, rendering images and videos, and much more. To make the tools and features of D5 easier to understand and more of an attainable task, we're going to be using the simple Getaway Cabin as our 3D model. This ensures that the project remains manageable and allows you to efficiently apply in practice the concepts learned. I've designed this small getaway cabin in a way that we can use nearly all of D5 Render tools and features, and this is both an interior and exterior type of project with a lot to do, so we can work together from start to finish. Now, no visualization workflow really exists without post-production in Photoshop, and if you want to stand out, you need to learn how to do it. That's why there's a large module dedicated to teaching you the essential skills in Photoshop. This course also has a module dedicated to AI tools. I believe AI can be used to enhance our work in some key parts, and D5 has been the leading software in implementing these AI enhancements into the visualization workflow, so we're going to take advantage of that. Then at the end of the course, once you've gathered all of the essential information and feel confident using the software, there's a module on case studies. You will get access to files and lessons on various types of visualization, from facade renders to interiors and more. Videos in architectural visualization are a reality. Presenting to clients or professors in video can be highly impactful, and especially with D5 Render, a real-time engine, once the model is set up, you can easily output clips. So there's a part of the course dedicated to that as well. However, I believe that images are still the main medium of expression of unbuilt designs. It's easier to share, easier to craft, and gives you all the creative control you need. Now look, this is a detailed and extensive course that will take you from a beginner or someone that is migrating from another engine to an advanced and professional user in DE5. You will come out of this course crafting incredible renderings where you're going to be able to charge more for your work, get commissioned images, be the best in your class in architecture school, or impress your clients with realistic images and videos. If you're still deciding on enrolling in the course, be sure to check out the course page to get all the important information and watch our free previews to get a good understanding of how the course is built. And by the way, if you don't know me, I'm Oliver, an architect who is passionate about architectural visualization and representation, and I've been teaching these concepts over YouTube for a few years now. So I'm really excited to have you as a student. Get ready to transform your rendering skills and take your architectural visualizations to the next level. See you in the next lesson. Alright, I'm super happy to finally put this out to the world, and I'm sure a few questions about the course might have come up, so feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I know some of you might be wondering now, you creating a course using DE5 Render means that DE5 is better than Lumion, or Enscape, or Twinmotion. That all depends. It's not fair to have a hard saying like that one is better than the other. It really all depends. Each of these engines has its own strengths and weaknesses, so you need to pick what you prefer. But as I mentioned in the intro lesson, there are a few key aspects of DE5 that really drew me in, and I believe they can be a great fit for you too. That's not to say that I'll never use Lumion or others again, especially since I have a channel and a platform that talks about architectural representation and visualization for everyone. So you'll still see videos of me with other engines, but if I were to recommend a workflow that I personally stand by and I believe you can benefit from, DE5 checks all of the right boxes. There are so many reasons why DE5 really stands out, but let's be clear, I'm not claiming that it's the best engine ever. In fact, I don't believe there's a single engine that's better than all of the others. Sure, you could argue that Corona with 3ds Max offer a higher output quality and realism. Absolutely, but it doesn't fit into every architectural practice, especially if you're looking to save time while still achieving great results. And an engine like DE5 allows you to visualize the space and building as you design, which is a huge benefit of using a real-time engine. Well, I could go on and on about this, but I just wanted to end this video by saying that I'm finally coming back to creating more free tutorials here on YouTube. And this is always the goal, provide as much free value for everyone as possible. A course has to exist because it's where I can dive into the details and fully teach you a workflow. Alright, if you made it to the end of the video, click the first link in the video description to learn more about the course. And also I'm putting together a list of future videos I'm planning to create, so if you have any suggestions or ideas, please share them in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.